Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In today's video, we will see a question on solving modulus inequalities, which comes under the topic of equations, inequalities, and graph in the O-level additional mathematics syllabus. I have put all the topics of AdMaths here on my website. If you click on any, you will get the videos I have made on it, and it is a quick source of revising the concepts. Now, according to syllabus of this topic, in this video, we will cover this aspect. In the previous video, we have covered these two, and before that, we have covered this. All the links are on the website address and in the description below as well. So let's see the question to understand how to handle questions of this type. So here is the question. Now you need to remember when you have two modulus linear function and you have to solve it, you can square both sides. Right? So we will square both these modulus linear functions. Once we will square both sides, it will become quadratic equation, and we will remember quadratic inequalities. If you remember ax plus b whole square or minus, how do we open it? We do a square x square plus 2axb plus b square. Right? I have just written in this form. Otherwise, in the formula, mostly we don't write x. So we just explain like this, that a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. And if it is minus, then a square minus 2ab plus b square. So same algebraic identity expansion we will apply here, and we will get this. After this, you bring everything to one side and then solve this quadratic inequality, right? Now the coefficient of x square is plus here, okay? So the shape of the graph will be minimum value curve. Now if you remember quadratic inequalities, you factorize this thing. After factorization, you get the x-intercepts. So if you imagine you have equal to symbol here, if you imagine, then it will become 3x minus 2 equals to 0 and x plus 4 equals to 0, and you get x-intercept. But let me tell you here the common mistakes made by student. 90% students make this mistake. So let me tell you what actually happens. After reaching here, what students do, they take, for example, 3x minus 2 is greater than equals to 0, or x plus 4 greater than equals to 0. They deal it like an equation, and they write x is greater than equals to 2 upon 3 and x is greater than equals to minus 4. Now once you do like this, it shows that your concepts are not clear. One of the answer out of this will be right, but you don't get marks because that is by chance. You are reflecting that you don't know, or the student doesn't know how to handle these questions. So what we do basically, see the concept here. After taking it as an equation, you get x-intercepts. So x-intercept is coming at 2 upon 3, because if 3x minus 2 is equals to 0, then x is equals to 2 upon 3. And if you put x plus 4 equals to 0, then x is equals to minus 4. So these two values are basically the x-intercept on the quadratic curve, which are here. Now, because the coefficient of x square was positive, it means the shape of the curve will be minimum value curve. That's why this curve is sketched here, irrespective of the depth here. Now, because here the symbol is greater than equal to, it means this curve above the x-axis. So this blue line of the curve is above the x-axis. So what are the values of x on this part of the curve? Can you see? If I ask you, you will check it like this. It means all the values of x which are less than minus 4 are on this part of the curve. Similarly, on this part of the curve, the values of x are greater than 2 upon 3. So this is how you mention here in inequality form, that for this quadratic inequality, the values of x are less than equals to minus 4, or x is greater than equals to 2 upon 3. This is using algebraic method. Now let's see using graph method, what do we do? So this was the original question. Okay. Now, when you are solving graphically, you sketch both of these modulus curves separately. Okay. Now see here. So these are the two modulus linear equations. If you sketch them, you will get this type of curve. I have labeled it. Now, actually what happened? You know from coordinate geometry, when the line is like this, the gradient is positive. When the line is like this, the gradient is negative. So when you have to sketch these two modulus function, you basically sketch y is equals to 2x plus 1, simple, and do nothing else. Now, if you look at this line, this blue line is actually y is equals to 2x plus 1, and it is going down like this below the x-axis. But because it is modulus, so you reflect it from the x-axis. And that's why this line is with negative sign. Whereas if you see this line, this red one, this line is actually what? Y is equals to 3 minus x. I have written here. Y is equals to 3 minus x, or you can say y is equals to minus x plus 3. You see, gradient is negative. So actually this line, red one here, is y is equals to, oh, I have written ulta here. This is actually y is equals to um, y is equals to x minus 3. Okay. And this one is, because you see when the shape of the curve is like this, it is actually negative. So you will write here negative. Okay. Y is equals to minus x plus 3. Okay. So this red curve is y is equals to minus x plus 3. And this one is y is equals to x minus 3. Now you have to see that this blue modulus, you see this one, is intercepting at 2 point only on this side of the line, not on this side. So we will not use this equation. To find out the point A, we will solve this line, which is minus 2x plus 1, and y is equals to minus x plus 3 simultaneously to get point A. And for point B, we will do y is equals to 2x plus 1 and y is equals to minus x plus 3, right? So you will solve them simultaneously to get the intersection point. You can see here. Let me show you through graph and what is written here. Minus 2x plus 1 is this part, right? This blue line. And y is equals to minus x plus 3 is this part. So you will get A, which is minus 4. Similarly for this part, this equation will remain same, but the blue one will become 2x plus 1. You can see it here. So then you will get point B intersection point, which is 2 upon 3. Now we have to see what is the answer. If you stop here, you will lose marks. So actually the question was saying which part is above what. Let's see the question again. So 2x plus 1 modulus mean the blue curve above the red curve. Okay. So now see here. If you look at this part, where is blue part above the red part? Let me erase this so that it becomes clearer. Give me a second. Okay. So if you see here, for example, here and here. So the blue part of the curve is above the red part here and here. Sorry, it's not very straight, but I hope you understand. So I can say the blue part above the red part is for these values of x and here for these values of x. So I can say x is less than minus 4 and x is greater than, what was the interception point? 2 upon 3. So I can say here x is less than equals to minus 4 or x is greater than equals to 2 upon 3. And this is very obvious from the graph. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Thank you.